Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4, and today it's lunchtime as you saw, and I'm not super duper hungry because I had late breakfast, so that gives me ample time to cook something up, and I have a super cool thing to show you guys, so let us head over to my kitchen. This is Floor Plan, which is a meal delivery kit service that will help you create meals in a quick manner. I assume they're currently launching their store, so I wanted to try out the box and they sent this to me to try, and I thought, let us cook this. So inside we have the recipe cards. So there's one meal for this. We're making a skillet sausage and rice. Comes with the ingredients. The serving size is family. I'm only cooking for myself, so I will have leftovers. And then this is the instructions card. So it comes with pictures, very informative, and it looks pretty easy. And then here are the individually packed items. So we have the sausages, some rice. I won't be using the rice because we already have cooked rice at home, so I'm not gonna use that. The other ingredients and salt and pepper, I think. So just a note, there's just a lot of plastic usage for this, so I think this is, you know, just be mindful of that. I don't know if I'm being stupid or I just don't know how to cook, but they told me to add 1 cup of water along with the chicken cube, which I did, and the next step is to add the cooked rice, sausages, and salt and pepper to the pan. But it's watery. Like, won't the rice be wet? I'm trying to get it to reduce down a bit because it's so wet talaga. Because I don't want to eat wet rice. I'm gonna wait for like a couple of minutes and then I'm gonna follow the instructions. Like, keep it damp. I don't know because I've never cooked this. It smells so good. Is this too wet? Okay, let's just wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, there's no turning back now. Here's some cooked rice. Guys, it smells so good. I can't believe it. Hi, so we're done with cooking. It took me around 30 to 36 minutes. It's 12:36 now, so around 30 minutes. And this is what the meal looks like. It looks so simple, but when you smell it, it's like, it smells so good. Okay, let's give it a try. Hot. It's hot. Let's wait for a minute. I've never cooked with a chicken cube. I know it's like not the healthiest, but it brings out so much flavor and it's so good with the rice. It's so flavorful and it literally tastes restaurant quality because of how flavorful it is. I would have never picked this meal out like in a menu at a restaurant. Like I would never order this, so it's nice to kind of try something new. Yeah, I think it's perfect if you live alone or something and you don't really like going to the grocery. Maybe you can try Flour Plan out. So I'm gonna leave the link to their website down below as well as their social media links, just as thank you for sending this to me and, you know, giving me a good meal. It was really fun cooking and trying a different dish out. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say. I mean, maybe a bit of constructive criticism. The instructions aren't necessarily complete. I mean, I guess a lot of the instructions for cooking, it's like intuitive and it's common sense, but then if you're like a first-time cook, I think the instructions that they had, some information was lacking, especially about the water part. Like I was really confused, but it turned out fine. And also they missed a couple of steps on like chopping the vegetables. I mean, not that I needed it, but in case other people don't know when to chop their vegetables, I don't know. So maybe just that, but I really appreciate how helpful it is with the pictures. I'm just gonna continue on eating. Thank you for watching this episode of Vlogmas. Hope you're enjoying it. And this video was from my heart to yours. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!